Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to manage insurance leads and follow-ups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot to manage your insurance leads and follow-ups, begin by signing in to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of HubSpot. On the top right corner, locate the settings icon and click on it. In the settings menu, scroll down to the integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on App Marketplace to explore available integrations. In the search bar, type in the name of the insurance lead generation tool you're using. Select the tool from the search results to access its integration page. Click the Connect App button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your account for the insurance lead tool. Enter your credentials and grant the necessary permissions for integration. Once you're back in HubSpot, you may need to map fields between the two platforms. This ensures that lead information is accurately transferred and organized. Look for the field mappings or similar option in the integration settings. Carefully select corresponding fields such as name, email, and phone number. After confirming the field mappings, save your settings to finalize the integration. To manage your leads, go to HubSpot's Contacts tab. Here, you can view all imported leads from your insurance tool. Utilize filters to sort leads based on various criteria like status or source. To follow up with leads, click on a contact to open their profile. On the profile page, look for the Tasks section to create reminders. Set specific follow-up tasks, including due dates and notes. You can also use HubSpot's email tracking features to monitor interactions. Schedule email follow-ups directly within the contacts profile. For more effective follow-ups, leverage HubSpot's automation tools. Access the Workflows section to set up automated follow-up emails. Create rules that trigger follow-ups based on lead behavior. Regularly review your leads and tasks to maintain organized follow-up efforts. Evaluate your metrics in HubSpot to adapt your lead management strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.